Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. As usual, we'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your career situation and your love energy, Aries. Before we start the reading, I would like to thank you all for your support and positive comments, guys. So we will pick few cards first for your daily energy. These are for your daily energy, Aries. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. And we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Aries. So for your daily energies, Aries, it's a Hermit in reverse, Judgment, and Ten of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your situation, guys, it may be your personal life or in your career situation, you are making really tough choices today, something based on truth or something based on what you feel about that connection or about that circumstance, but it may be affecting people close to you. So your decisions may be based on the way you feel about a particular situation, and it may be affecting the people you are with, maybe this person or in your family, someone, or your friends, somebody. So these harsh and difficult choices are really stressing you, but you are making those decisions because it is based on truth and what you feel is right in that particular circumstance, guys. So that is what I see, and that may be the reason that you may feel stressed. For some of you guys, today you will be really stressed because of the way you need to go about implementing that choice that you have made, and you are afraid how things will go because of that, because of your choice. What will that person think, and what they will do, and how they will react to your decision. That is also what I see here. And maybe for some of you, there are people in your situation, maybe some friend, family, or this person trying to hide something. They are trying to hide the truth, maybe, or truth about the situation, maybe, or truth about something else. So they are hiding something and you don't know what it is, and you are facing lots of stressful situations today, Aries. Lots of struggles and obstacles because of that, because of people hiding the truth from you, and also because of your choices. What you are making today is something important, something based on truth, but it may be the reason for upsetting your whole day. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, Aries. King of Swords in reverse. With this card, guys, in your career situation, there are people with evil intentions, guys, in your work. So you need to be really careful. They may be jealous of you, they may be competing with you, they may pose as a friend, but in their heart of hearts they don't have that good intentions, that friendliness and helpful nature. So they are just there to make use of you, make use of your work and effort, and try to steal from you your efforts or your work. Maybe it may be someone working with you or working under you, your employees. they may be making use of your work, your skills in some way, and they may be taking credit for your work, and they are simply jealous of you, how you are able to handle your situation perfectly, how you handle any situation with that perfect balance and harmony. So they really feel jealous of you guys. So you need to be very carefully in your career situation, Aries. That is what I see. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. The Magician in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, there may be a situation in your connection, guys. You are really stressed because of that. Maybe things are not, overall I see here, guys, things are going against you. Maybe something is forcing you to make some choice, maybe some truth, or maybe in your heart of hearts, maybe what you feel, you are pushed towards some choice, but that is really making your day a very difficult one, guys. It's stressing you a lot because of these choices you are making. Again, in your connection, you are very stressed, emotional today, and you are thinking within yourself whether you are sane or not, because of the way your situation is turning around. Very stressful situation, how people react, people who are around you, how they react to your decisions, all that is stressing you, troubling you a lot, guys. And you just want to stay quiet, but you are unable to. You are into some arguments or some discussions, heated arguments because of that, because of how things are going in your life today, Aries. So you are unable to find that understanding and clarity with this person, though you are trying to explain your situation. This person is not understanding. So you are trying your best, but they are not listening to you. That is what I see with this card here, Aries. And that is the reading for today, guys. Overall, we see here that things are stressful, guys. That is what these cards are pointing to. But our life is in our hands, really. So we don't have to feel bad because of these cards. So what we make of our day is right with us. That power is with us. So these cards may denote something. We need not be disturbed by that. We can think of these cards as pointing us towards something where we need to be careful when we are making some decisions. So we have to feel that way and go about our day with that positive mindset, Aries. That is what I see with these cards. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.